Hi, I'm Kendall. I'm here at the Cottage Garden at RHS Wisley, and I want to walk you through and show you their use of very common cottage garden plants like this Gaura. So if you're just starting to plant a cottage garden, if you're experienced and you just want to see what they have here at Wisley, we are at the end of September right now, so these are specifically plants that are blooming right now. Let's go take a walk around. We're going to start with Gaura. Lots of white Gaura, a little bit of pink Gaura around. There is some scattered Verbena bonariensis, very classic, especially English cottage garden plants. There are a bunch of Dahlias, which you can tell me if that's a plant that is perennial for you or not. I can kind of get away with some Dahlias left in the garden. There are still some roses blooming. Roses are a very romantic cottage garden plant. And some varieties continue blooming into the fall. So, Gaura, roses. Oh, Salvia. Here's just a teeny tiny one. This is a woody salvia called Salvia Autumn Moon. There's also just a bunch of salvia varieties. Here's a purple one. So salvia seems to be nice and long blooming. What's the other one I saw? Oh, geranium. There are several different types of geraniums. This one is Dreamland, Brem Dream, it says. Really pretty little pink flowers covered in bees. There is a little bit, but not a ton, of sedum, now called Hylotelephium. This is Frosted Morn. And then, oh, this is a really nice, I forget the name of this one. Let me see. Spheralcia Childerley. That is not a common cottage garden plant. I'm supposed to be showing you common ones. There's quite a few really beautiful hydrangeas. One red one in particular I want to show you. Oh yeah, in the center here, tons of just really classic catmint blooming. A few more single roses in the middle here. Look at all this catmint. So they used a lot of catmint on edges and borders of things. There's another geranium Roseanne here, really classic cottage garden plant. I have that one and I like it because of this habit of climbing up into other plants. Look at that dahlia over there. It's huge. My favorite kind of dahlias are actually these single dahlias. I couldn't find the name for this one with the dark foliage like this. If you know the name of that, you can let me know. There's some birds fighting behind me. Can you hear the birds? There's some Scabiosa over there. That's a pretty common cottage garden perennial. What else? Did I tell you all of them yet? I see some more salvia. Okay, I'm just gonna go show you this hydrangea because it's so beautiful. And I saw it and now I can't stop thinking about it. Okay. Can you believe this red? Okay. Hydrangea serrata Grayswood. I think that's what it says. I read that really fast. There is a little bit of Buddleja here. I don't know if they have the same trouble with Buddleja that we do. Oh yeah, here we go. Anemones. Very classic fall garden plant. And there's another beautiful hydrangea I want to show you. This is a lace cap variety. I don't know the name of it. But look at those incredible stems. Do you have a tag? I don't see a tag for that one. I think I said I wasn't going to talk about it because there's no tag. And there's even some that are not blooming yet. These chrysanthemums are starting to bud up. This is hillside apricot, but I don't see any blooming yet, so that should be pretty soon. There's quite a few hibiscus actually, which I don't usually think of as a common cottage garden plant. This is Hibiscus syriacus Lady Stanley. It looks a little sad. There's some nicer looking ones around. Do you think of hibiscus as a cottage garden plant? Let me know down in the comments. I think those are all the ones I wanted to show you. We could also talk about, well, there's a hot lips salvia there. There's alyssum. Alyssum is technically an annual, but it reseeds itself so easily. Some people kind of consider it a perennial. There's a few heleniums around, but not a ton of helenium in the cottage garden. I'm just doing one final little lap to see if I forgot to mention anything. There is, I think this is the only Russian sage in this entire cottage garden. And it doesn't look the most happy, so maybe that's why they don't have a lot planted here. This is not an herbaceous perennial, but gorgeous trees. The berries are very ornamental. There's a couple geraniums in pots blooming right now. Also not sure if you would consider that a perennial. They probably bring those inside in the winter. I'm walking under another one of these trees. So these are Malus hoopahensis. Just another distraction, but really, really, really pretty. Okay. I'm starting to lose my mind because it is 10 minutes before closing time. There is another hibiscus. And I've been here all day. So thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed some of these videos from my trip to England. It's not over yet. I have a bunch more places to go. So stick around. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.